আগে মাদ্রাসা বলতে বুঝাই কি আরবি আলিফ বা তা বা কোরআন শরীফ পড়ায়। মাদ্রাসায় যে ইংলিশে পড়ে আপনারা কি জানেন? হ্যাঁ, মাদ্রাসায় ছাত্ররা অনার্গল ইংলিশে টকিং করে, কোন আলহামদুলিল্লাহ। আলহামদুলিল্লাহ এরই প্রমাণ। এখন আপনাদের সামনে ইংরেজিতে বক্তব্য দেন মোহাম্মদ হোসাইন ইসলাম।
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. In the name of Allah, divine face and the merciful. Many thanks to Allah and peace upon Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Dear audience, Madinatul Ulum Madrasa Dhaka, the principal of one madrasa, Hafiz Kari Muhammad Bashir Al Habib Shah. Bashir Shah, my respect Muslim brothers, or honorable principal Olive Priest, about the progress of Madinatul Ulum. Dear audience, there are 6 teachers in our madrasa. Their teachers of us love their children. We love us very much like our fathers. Dear audience, 100+ students study here. They are very careful about the study. We all love us brothers and sisters. Dear audience, all of students of our Madinatul Ulum achieve very good result in the exams, so the friend reputation of the madrasa. Spent all over the country, my respected Muslim brothers, you will be happy now. Madinatul Ulum Madrasa had contribution is 50 as today. Dear audience, today is the great conference on the occasion 50th anniversary of the madrasa, so that you all are gathered here. We are get to for your arrival to see you in our occasion. We are very late here. Dear audience, all of students of our Madinatul Ulum achieve very good result in the experience of the friend reputation of the madrasa. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.